Our bro, a couple pairs of sunnies. Yeah, no, Todd put his sunnies in his hat. That's all he remembers. So we out here, patrolling.
Yeah, you would love it.
You know what? I think they're shut, bro. Where are you going, boys? The engine's there.
Check the lock.
Bro, it's got specialty trading hours. The only thing, oh my god, bro, we fucking, we hit it. Bro, if it was a fucking, bro, we missed the shit out of all of that. Holy no, maybe target. Let's fucking. We're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to go to fucking Macca's, Paddy.
We're gonna have to go get a 20 pack of nuggets.
We're still fishing with chicken, bro.
Yeah, we got enough. I got like $4 on my card, cunt. Who do you think this is? I got like $4 on my card, cunt. What do you think this is? I need chicken breast, cunt.
I can't go to a servo and get paid then.
Fuck, bro. I got spur to pay, cunt.
We just wanted to do this on Sunday.
What? Why didn't I just get like $10 off Nay and some durries? And we would have been sweet, cunt.
Bro, this is honestly the most fucking prepared we've ever been, bro. This is going to a good start, man. This is literally, we're gonna catch fish, bro. We're gonna catch pearls.
Actually gotta catch fucking, yeah.
We just need to find some bait, bro. Alright?
Subway. Give me $4 of chicken breast.
Chicken shop. The chicken shop.
Oh, what? Hang on.
Got any raw?
Fair income cut.
Got any raw chicken?
Fair income cut. Pulling up to the scene, looking for the raw product.
Oi, bro, he's fucking wiping down the windows.
Ask him.
No chance we can buy a raw chicken breast. Dude, that's fucking perfect, cut. We're coming in, bro. We're coming in for the fucking chicken breast. Instead of raw chicken, they're $4, bro. That's what the fuck, dude?
Is he serious?
Fucking amazing. It's like he heard us talking about it, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh, yeah, bro, they're $4, man. Yeah, they got like crumbs on them.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Even better, bro.
Even better, we got crumbs.
It's like he knows what we're doing.
Oh, God.
Maybe watch crumbs.
Yeah, that's awesome. We got fishing, bro. You got a woolly, we're like, fuck, it's closed.
Yeah. And then we drive up here and it's like, the chicken shop, bro.
They're like $1.80 each. I don't know.
$4 what?
$4.
Yeah, bro. That's sick. They're $4.
Chances that my wrong will be no game. Got it. Raw chicken breast, mate.
That was one of the funniest things
they're
I've ever
$4.
10 minutes ago, this guy's like,
I've only got $4 in my account, bro.
seen. Not even 10, that was about 5 minutes ago. See the chicken shop we pull in. How much is chicken?
No, good round is free. Yeah, cheers, man.
Fuck yeah. That is guys, fancy that.
That's right. You reckon these people are coming to get chicken strips too?
Alright. I think they heard about the $4 deal.
They heard about the $4 deal, bro. We were loud.
We were. This well we go down like chicken breast, bro. Now all we need to do is catch it.
That's like 4 or 5, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, mad,
Cheers,
mad.
bro. Let me know. Thank you.
Wow! Just jumping shit now.
5 seconds ago, we were like, what are we gonna do, bro? We got no bait. Find the chicken.
Shout out to Aussie Rooster. Shout out to fucking Aussie Roosters. Shout out to Aussie Rooster, whoever the owner of that is doing well.
Hey, we got someone with the barbecue. barbecue, catch one of them.
Let's go catch a barbecue. Make sure the shit's cooked properly. Instead of getting it from there where it's in for like 3 minutes. No, yeah. Now, fucking local takeaway shop.
Show me how much he gave us, bro.
Yeah.
He gave us like half a kilo, bro.
That's like, he just ripped himself off, bro. But if this gets out, he's losing his job. Oh, my seatbelt just pops on out like a...
Wow, now where are we going?
Left bridge.
Right,
You're in the complete wrong lane,
bro.
Pocket. Trippy.
Looks like a park, bro.
So, what are we doing? We stand on his head or what?
Paddy.
That's cool as, bro.
Seriously, bro, who gives a fuck if you're a dirty trash bag, fucking scum looking, inflamed pussy, fucking over rubbed, fucking fat ass, fucking dirt, filthy fucking scumbag, pussy rubbing on filthy fuck catching herpes, dirty filthy scumbag. With their dirty little slut faces, robbing their dirty little inflamed coffee beans, fucking dirty filthy inflamed cunts, dirty little cunts. Slut, bro, it doesn't matter, man, you're sluts. Just doing it as a friend, bro. Boy, girls, you know he loves you. Don't worry about it. Alright, just play cursor in the background if that gets you in the mood a bit more. I don't give a fuck. We love you, dirty, filthy, fucking scum, fucking dirt cunt, fucking wannabe rape victim.
At high school.
What the fuck?
James off his